It's chocolate like me. Okay. Okay, now you might as well go ahead and subscribe, baby, because we friends now. We in it for the long haul, baby. Baby. I'm tired of it.
Who are you again? Why are you in my bed? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Zhar'ria or Z, whatever you like to call me. And today, we're going to try to clean out my closet. I want to try on everything that's in here. I just want to say that this isn't all my clothes. I have 2 dresser drawers full of clothes, and this is just a small amount of what I have in my wardrobe. And to be honest with you, the only reason that I'm doing this right now is one, because it's about to be spring, so I need to get rid of all my winter coats and stuff. And I have a whole bunch of, I really have a problem, but I have a whole bunch of clothes that I just bought that I don't have room for in my drawers or my closet. So we're going to be trying to clean up all of this. For this video, we're just going to start with the closet though. Also, I want to say how I'm going to be separating all the stuff. I'm going to have a keep pile, a donate pile, and a sale pile. And the keep is gonna be in 2 different categories, because I have this big old tub. Okay, I have this big old tub that I'm gonna put all my winter stuff in. I'm just gonna put it in my family's basement because I'm not gonna need all these puffer coats and stuff. You're gonna see, but I'm not gonna need none of these coats when it get cold, when it get hot though. So as you can see, it's a mess, basically, but I try to organize it in some way that works with my mind. It might not work with everybody's mind, but it works with my mind. Okay, so I have my winter coats into like my hoodies, sweater tops, dresses, and in the very top should be crop tops and stuff. So I want to try on all of this. We're going to first start off with my coat. Okay, first on the docket is this big old black Yeti, but I got this for my trip to Tennessee, and I don't see myself wearing this anywhere in Alabama anytime soon, in the South period, but it's a keep for now. We'll see if I can wear it next winter, but it's a keep for now. Next, my reflective coat. Looks a little tight. Ooh, shit.
Boy, if you don't get...
I like it. I don't know if this is my aesthetic no more. But part of me just want to keep it because look at it. Like, hey. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it. Next is this other puffer coat. I also got this for my Tennessee trip last year. I got it from Pretty Little Things. It's so cute, and I'm definitely gonna keep it for next season. I like it a lot. I get a lot of compliments on it. It gives TLC vibes. I wish I could see, but yeah. Winter keep, or should it be store? I don't know. Oh, okay. Yay. I really don't want to try this on. Next is this lavender suit. You can't even see the pants for real. But I think I'm going to either donate or sell this. If I was to sell it, I don't know if I would give it to, try to sell it at Plato's Closet. Or I don't think nobody would want this online because it's like a skinny type of thing. If it was one of those like vintage looking suits, maybe it'll sell on Depop or something. But I think I might just donate it to the thrift store. Cause somebody might, I feel like it'll be appreciated more there. So yeah, this is donate. Another one, the coat. It had a moment. I'm gonna keep it because it might be a birth. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm gonna keep it for next winter. I think I'm just gonna keep all my coats for next winter. Save us a lot of time. Y'all know this a keep. Keep. This trench. The trench. Okay. I don't know. I took pictures in this. I posted on Instagram, but then I archived some pictures. So I feel like I could give a better look with this later on. My style might be a little bit better next winter. I think I could dress this up better. I could do it. Like I said, I'm probably keeping all my coat. Next is this crop jacket I got from Shein. I didn't say where I got everything at, but I might just put it in a little corner where I got everything at if you would like to look. I don't know if they still have it, but just in case you're interested. But I got this from Shein, and I don't know if I should keep it or not, because I remember me and my friend were talking about this jacket, and we was like, everybody got this jacket, and I don't really care if everybody has it, but I don't get the feels from this for real. It's just cute. So I don't know, I'm kind of undecided. I might just put it in there and see how I feel about it next year. Just put it in storage. This is a North Face green jacket. My mom actually found this at the thrift store for a really cheap price. I'm gonna keep it because it was a gift from my mommy, and it's springtime, so I'm going to need a rain jacket at some point. It's been already like 3 storms already, and it's just April, so it's a keeper. So let's hang it back up. Oh Jesus, I'm already tired. Oh, last for my jackets and coats is this Palmer. Can y'all tell I'm okay, let me get it together. It is late at night too. It's Easter. Well, I don't know if it's Easter no more. I don't know what time it is, but it is late at night. So if I act a little kooky, I'm sorry. It's normal. This is normal me. A little bit crazy. I was kind of nervous when I started this video, but I can't talk for hours. I don't know if it's because I'm sleepy or not, but okay. I think this is the last jacket / coat in my closet. It's sad because I got more hoodies in my drawer. Okay, but anyways, this is a crop jacket. Yeah. Crop jacket from Shein. I'm gonna keep it. I didn't get a chance to wear it this winter because all I do is go to work, and I can't. How am I wear this to work? It be hot. I be moving around too much, but yeah. I should do a save / store, a keep, donate, and a sale. That's what we're gonna do. But I got this from the thrift store. It kind of fits small and it's too hot, so I think I'm going to donate it. But I also don't want to donate it because it's brown. It was a good thrift find, and it says Las Vegas. It reminds me of my friend Zhar'ria. Shout out to her. Shout out to Taya. But it reminds me because she's from Las Vegas. But what should I do? Maybe I'll sell it. I'm gonna sell. Yes. Green sweatshirt. Pictures coming soon. I'm waiting for some shoes to come, so I'm not even gonna try this on because I'm gonna take pictures in it If I doubt I'm gonna take the pictures before I post the video, but if I do take the pictures before I post the video, I'm just gonna post the picture and show you how it looks. But this is a keep. So I'm gonna put this back. Next, sweatshirt. I took a picture of this on my Instagram. You can find it. They call me Z. I got this from Finds by Drew. So it's basically thrifted. Finds by Drew on Instagram. I'm going to. It's 5, bro. It's 5, and it go with my lucky 13. So I'm gonna keep it. For now, cause I literally just bought. As I said, I go to Clark Atlanta, and once COVID hit, it's like, so just a little bit of store time, but really not a store. But basically, when COVID hit, I was feeling a little bit. It wasn't homesick, but it was like school sick, cause I really love my school, yeah. And if you know Clark Atlanta is part of the AUC, Atlanta University Center. So you have Clark Atlanta, Morehouse, and Spelman. So I said, we had got a little refund or whatever. I said, why not give me a little piece of each school? Because, like, that's one of the reasons I love going to Clark Atlanta. Because you really go to 3 different colleges and you get to experience all of them. So I got the Spelman one. This is my Morehouse one. This one, it got embroidered. I like it. I only got these from like the bookstore website. I don't know what my Clark Atlanta one. It might be in the dresser, but yeah. These, I'm not gonna try this one because it's basically the same thing. But these both are keeps, because once we go back on campus, Lord, because it's gonna be my senior year, I gotta go back on campus. I only got 1 more year. I'm talking too much. Okay, keeps. Already seeing my crackhead energy. Well, I don't know. Let's see. We'll see if I keep it in when I edit. When I edit it, it's gonna take me forever to edit this because it's so long, Lord Jesus. But I already get my crackhead energy. We friends now. You might as well go ahead and subscribe, baby, because we friends now. We in it for the long haul, baby. Baby. It's my hoodie. I'm keeping this because my friend that I met at school made it. Ticket Chasers. You can find it on IG. I think the IG is Ticket Chasers 2K or something like that. I want to try new brands because nowadays everybody buying from the like same 3 or 4 or 5 companies. So I'm trying to find more independent or underground brands and addicted. Like I kept seeing ads for them on like TikTok and stuff. So this. It says play with my emotions. It's a keep because it's chocolate like me. Okay. A brand I found on IG named Scooby. It comes with shorts. I think the shorts that go with this are in my sweatpants drawer. It's really nice. I really don't feel like trying it on because it's really, the neck hole is so small, and I got a small head, and I be struggling to put this on. So I don't know who head this was made for, but it wasn't mine. It wasn't mine, but it's nice. It's setting line. You know, setting line hoodies is I guess it's a trend, but I'm not gonna try this on, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it right now because it's bright pink, and I usually don't buy stuff like these, the color and stuff, but I do like stuff with like skulls on it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I know I got a little bit of dark side, and my dark side really relates to like school. Another sweatsuit set from Scooby, and I think I have the shorts in here. Yeah, the shorts are in here. Let me show you the shorts. But it's really cute. I wish it's really cute, but it's kind of confusing because the hoodie is like real heavy duty, like endure winter storms type stuff. But you also have these shorts, so like I don't know, cause I'm from the South, so I don't know in what weather could I wear this. Maybe tornado season, but like you're not going. I don't know. Camo shirt that I got from the thrift store. It was one of my favorite thrift finds. I've definitely found it in the men's section. It's very like worn in and stuff, and I like it. I wear it more as like a overshirt, and it's really my vibe, so I don't think I'm ready to part with it. So I think I'm gonna keep this. Next is another plaid shirt that I thrifted. I'm a thrift queen. Cap. Cap. But anyways, this, I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna store it. I'm gonna store it for later because the colors gives no winter. It's fall. It's fall all the way. So yeah. Basic. That's all I gotta say. It's my Matrix coat. I feel like everybody need a Matrix coat. You know? A little. I do this every time I put this. I don't even know why I bought it. I don't read Jisoo. I really love his clothes, but I can't. Most of them I don't see myself wearing. And this sweater was like one of the first things. Like, oh, I can get with this. Like, I can get with this. Cause most of these clothes is like for IG baddies, and I ain't no IG baddie. I'm just a baddie.
Period.
Not them type of baddies. So I like this. I actually recently got the chocolate one too. So I think I'm gonna keep these just in case it get cool or something, or just even to take pictures. I gotta take a picture in these. Rachel, I can't even take a picture in it no more. Damn, I miss my. It's so cute. Yeah, this shirt from Shein. I really love it. I haven't got the chance to wear it, but I feel like chocolate gonna be the color for all year round. So I think I can keep this in my closet right now because it is a crop top too, short sleeve. It's gonna do what it needs to do. It's gonna do what it needs to do. Okay, let me stop. Okay, next on the docket is this Playboy hoodie. It's actually a set I got from Misguided. I have a slight obsession with Playboy things. I don't even know if you can see, but slight. I don't really wear this because I don't know. I wear the sweatpants more than I wear the sweatshirt because I feel like it gives too much if I wear both of them. So I don't know. I might keep it and serve that look one time, you know, for just a fun outfit. But I don't know what my aesthetic is, and I feel like stuff like this just be confusing me. And that's part of the main reason I wanted to make this my first video, so we can see, like, I can just check like how my fashion journey just goes throughout the years. Cause as I buy more stuff and I watch more people, I kind of like tweak and say like, oh, I might like this, I might like that. But I just want to keep this for my soul. Cause look at the bunnies, like, look at my belly piercing. It's a bunny. Next to this turtleneck that I do not feel like putting my head in, but we gonna throw it in my winter pile. Cause turtlenecks are for the winter. This dress I got from Honey Bun. I got it for my birthday weekend. I can insert a picture here. I don't know if I can sell it. That ends my very first YouTube video. I know it probably wasn't that exciting, but I felt like this was the best way for me to introduce myself to my channel, and at the same time clear up some room so I can start filming these hauls and stuff, so I can actually have somewhere to put the clothes that I've just bought. And I already got clothes on the way now to add to the clothes I already got staring at me right here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I promise that it'll only get better from here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the video. Thank you. Don't forget to comment what you think I should have kept, gave away, or if you agree with what I did, just let me know. Thank you. That's the end of the video. See you guys another time. Bye-bye.